Hello once again to each and every one of you. And where I am right now here in the park, and it's now time for our inspirations from the scriptures from this time. So in 1 Corinthians chapter 11:26, it says here that for whenever you eat this bread and drink this cup, you proclaim the Lord's death until He comes. Now, if we do this, this is actually a celebration. It is like compared, or it is like a celebration of a birthday to mark the anniversary of a person's birth, signifying a new year of life and providing a chance to reflect on the past year and look forward to the future. It's a time of joy. Anniversaries also are celebrated to commemorate significant dates and events, providing opportunities to reflect on the past, appreciate the present, and anticipate the future. We acknowledge milestones to acknowledge progress, boost morale, reinforce positive behavior, and create lasting memories. Now, proclaiming the Lord's death is an important celebration, since it is here we remember the sacrifice that Jesus did for the salvation of humanity. Though we don't celebrate it as lavishly or luxuriously with food, but we celebrate it with worship for what He has done. It is here that we are reminded, lest we forget our commitment, love, and dedication for the one who died and saved us, and to prepare each and every one of us until He comes. That, my brothers and sisters, is our inspirations for today. God bless everyone.